Oh my guys, di ako na-inform. Lumalamig na pala deal sa Tagaytay. Lalo na here. Tsaka, so more expensive na mga design clothes nila. Paano ako maka-survive? Kuya Kim, ano na?
Si Kuya naman, parang di Pinoy. Wala ka pa bang kaalaman tungkol sa ukay-ukay?
Excuse me, ate girl. First of all, I am not just Pinoy. I'm Filipinese. Second po, ano po ang ukay-ukay?
Ukay-ukay na naman ang lugar kung saan ka makakabili ng mga good quality clothes sa murang halaga to keep you warm and good looking.
I won't like Moldova if I shoot your clothes. Scam ba ikaw?
Aha, sampot na ang hanap mo? Models, pasok! Damit pang business? Superhero!
Wow, thank you, ate girl. Thank you po talaga. Hashtag Kim, solve na. Thank you po.
Ano ba ang trip ni Boy Boy? Puro damit lang ang pinopadala. Oo nga. Nagugutom niya.
Oo nga ako, Deb. Miss na yung mga kapatid ko kahit turon, lumpia, biko.
At boy, lalo na yung cheese stick, mangga at kwek-kwek.
Tsaka yung
Pati nga ang nanila.
ayun o, sakto-sakto. Nandito na ang trip ko. At swak na swak ko sa budget natin.
Aba? Ang isa, meron din silang face paint, paborito ng Pilipino, karaoke.
Naniniwala na ang masarap na pagkain ay hindi kailangan mamahalin. Salamat po. Hello, Bobby. Welcome to the party. How can I get for you today?
Mini donuts?
Uy! Ano yan?
Galing, galing, galing.
Are you in need of a time of relaxation? Are you in need of enjoyment? Then come to our Sunnyside Workshop, where your kids can learn creative activities, listen to stories, and have fun while you take your sweet time to yourself. Only here at El Trabaco!
Three, two, one, and...
Measured by what we have or where we are. No earthly pleasures can brighten the dark. Trust in God. This place to in Him, there's a lot more you can do. Trust in God. This place to in Him, there's a lot more you can do. More you isn't measured by what we have or where we are. No earthly pleasures can brighten the dark. Trust in God. This place to in Him is a lot more you can do. Trust in God. This place to in Him, there's a lot more you can do. More you can do. More you can do.
All the Mayan please come forward towards the left corner as we are about to announce. All up to the people, to the center of that story. Okay, picture muna tayo. Okay, pagkatapos niyan, yung ano naman, El Tropaco. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Thank you so much for participating in this year's fun day, El Trop Day! Why don't we give our student a big round of applause? You made us enjoy this day. Di namin naramdaman lumabas ang mga pera sa aming bulsa ngayong araw. Because of the joy and the fun that you allowed us to experience this afternoon. Let's give it up to the leaders of leaders, Morris Valentino, Elijah Nicodumsak, and Mr. Phineas Ocampo. Ayan, nakita naman kayo leaders. Leaders, dito kayo leaders. Ayan, good job. And now leaders from El Tropaco, Mr. Zach. Waiting the winner for the sales. Let me announce the winner for the production number. Alright. Second place goes to this group that garnered an average score of 79.7%. Ladies and gentlemen, second place goes to El Tropaco. Congratulations and Bayan ng Bayan. Alright, so ako'y Pilipino. Can we do that 1, 2, 3, go? Yeah! Alright, oh, kayo naman. 1, 2, 3, go! $14,320. That's Tambayan ng Bayan. Now, sorry, El Tropaco has a total sale of $12,110. Now, hindi pa dyan malalaman kasi magkano ang kapital. Alright. Alright, so ngayon, minus the expenses, the winner for the El Trop Day is Sino? El Tropaco! Ay, okay. Para na lang po sa inyong kalamanan, ang profit ng Tambayan is $7,775. Ang profit naman ng El Tropaco is $8,680. So congratulations, El Tropaco! A total sale of $24,240,000 pesos. May mga capital fee tayo at ang total rent natin is $11,165. Ngayon yung may asa natin. Alright. Okay, to all teachers, maraming salamat. To all our parents, thank you so much. To the fathers who participated, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng estudyante, nag-enjoy ba kayo